Binance is banned in the UK. That's really bad. That's bad for Shiba Inu. We'll go over to, everything that you will need to know for the day. You need to know some technical analysis. What support and resistance levels can we expect to hit for the day? What is the liquidity that Shiba Inu have on Binance? Is this even a thing? Is this ban bad? How would this affect the whole market? We'll probably have a live stream as well, because I believe there's a very big dip coming. I'm not happy about it because I'm holding a lot of stuff, but I'll get to everything you need to know within the video. So make sure you like it and stay and watch all the way until the end. So look at this. UK financial watchdog bans crypto exchange Binance. Before I read the article, I just want to emphasize why it's important that you understand how bad this information is. And I'm not spreading FUD. I want to protect you. I'm holding as well. I'm not interested in prices going down. Yes, I'm shorting stuff, but I'm not interested in Shiba Inu going down. And I'm also long. This morning I bought some BNB, and let me check what else. And I bought some Vite. I pretty much bought them here when we were consolidating a little bit, but I do believe we'll have a dip. And here's the liquidity that Shiba Inu has right now. Right now, Shiba Inu's liquidity on Binance is the highest. Here it is, liquidity score market pair of 0 to 1,000. Pretty much Binance has it. It has it against a different currency, which is interesting. TRY has the biggest liquidity, I guess. This is the Turkish, I think, currency. Against BUSD, it has really high liquidity, USDT as well. And we're gonna see some massive change. If you can see the liquidity, I'll just scroll down a little bit. Liquidity, 972 against the TRY. So the Binance being out of the picture for the UK is bad news. And let me show you. They've now got a new website, binance.co.uk. They're trying to, work with us on it. But let's first read the news and then we'll go everything else, because this is massive. I just can't believe what I'm saying. New York CNN, the Financial Conduct Authority, a regulatory body in the United Kingdom, has banned Binance, a popular crypto exchange platform, from offering certain services in the country. Binance Markets Limited is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK. So it's an unregulated exchange. That scares big money away if it's legal money. And the big amounts of money is legal money, from what I know. Let me know your opinion so far in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you're new. And I should warn you that the video is no financial advice. Random dude on the internet, sponsored by Bybit, and I'm an affiliate for Binance. So don't interested in Binance having issues. If you want to check a special promotion for Bybit, check it in the link in the description down below. It's pretty cool. It's special promotion just for you guys. And also, Binance have the lowest fees to buy crypto. If you're not from the UK, you can still use them. I use them right now. But I'm also diversifying. I'm putting some money in Kraken now. I'll probably go over that on my live stream tonight. Binance Markets Limited is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK. The FCA said in a statement Saturday, Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, enables investors to buy and trade cryptocurrencies online. No other entity in the Binance group holds any form of UK authorization, registration, or license to conduct regulated activity in the UK. UK trading cryptocurrencies is not directly regulated in the UK, but other related activities such as selling derivatives do require approval. So they're just not regulated. Be wary of adverts online and on social media promising high returns on investments in crypto asset or crypto asset related products, the FCA said. The UK ban follows news on Japanese sending warnings to Binance Friday. Yeah, but look, Japanese just accepted Coinbase. it's regulated. And what are they saying about Binance? They just don't like the fact that Binance don't care about the idea of Binance is that it's not regulated. But if I were you, and this is what I'll do, and this is what we'll probably do, Kraken versus Binance. I want to do some comparison because Binance have lower fees, but I also want to send some money into Kraken. Maybe even during the video, we'll look up after we check everything else. The regulators in Japan said the platform may be operating in a country without proper authorizations. Binance will also no longer service customers in Ontario, Canada as of December 31st. We are aware of recent reports. A Binance spokesperson said, yeah, we'll also check their Twitter. They have some information here. BML is a separate legal entity and does not offer any products or services via Binance. China it's also cracked down, blah blah blah. Here's their basically statement on Twitter, and actually forgot to follow them with notifications on. By the way, you should definitely follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Dr. Niki something. Dr. Niki YouTube. So we're aware BML is a separate entity. The Binance Group acquired BML in May 2020 and has not yet launched its UK business. The FCA notice has no direct impact. We take, it won't have an impact now, but what about later? And they also wanted to, from what I remember reading something else, they want them to have a special something to say at the bottom of the website that they're not regulated or something. It's like, you're buying cigarettes and they have, okay, that you die from us. So now they have the Binance Co UK website. It's coming soon. I think I'll enter an email right here. Let me just pause that so you don't see my email that I'll enter. The idea here is that I can keep you updated on any news. Okay, I say success. The website is very broken, by the way. It's really weird. Let's talk about the technical aspect. How will this affect crypto prices? Shiba Inu is, if we disregard this news, it's a really good spot. We're waiting for Coinbase listing, eToro listing, probably shibaswap, and Elon Musk pumped us. And what cryptocurrencies like to do, especially Shiba Inu, is let me show you something. Normally, when you have a pump, just like this, I want this to be the BTC one, and this to be the Shiba. Just to compare both prices. Okay, so Shiba Inu is pumping again. That's good. But normally, when you have a spike just like this, and this was basically an Elon Musk tweet, the prices normally slowly go here. If you have a pump like this, and it closes down, maybe bots, sell and stuff like that, so they can cover. And then I think we'll hit this area slowly now. But then again, I would say take some of profits here, because I think we can dump here and I can get more volume, right? If I can get something like, let's just go on the 30-minute chart. Let's say that I sell some, because we have a resistance here. Let's say I dump some here, right? And I buy it back at a lower range. For example, I dump some here and I buy it back at a small dip, or even a dip here. We're not talking about a dip here. Let's say a dip here. Let's say it just dips here and I buy back. How much money will I save? Check this out. Or not save, but I can buy, more Shiba, more volume. Oh, come on, I clicked the wrong two. Where is it? So, the price range too. Let's say I dump here. and we just buy here. That's 16%. It's 16% more Shiba. So if I have a 1 bill Shiba, I can buy 1 bill and 116 mil, right? If I have 10 bill Shiba, that's 1.6 bill more Shiba. So my idea is, if I want to hodl something, I'll buy the dips and sell the immediate highs. If you just bought here, if you just sold here at the peak and rebought here, you would make 16% in Shiba, not USD wise, Shiba wise, because you want to stock up on more Shiba in a matter of a few hours or even minutes. If you just sell here, buy here, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. It was this happened on the 1 minute chart, by the way. So I think taking profits along the way is definitely a good thing. Now I actually want to see what the Kraken versus Binance fees look like. Because as I said, I want to try out Kraken again. I'm in Europe, so that works for me. Coinbase Pro have very high fees, not worth it. Bybit are really good fees wise. I already have some money there, and they're really cool. Especially if you want to leverage it, they have the highest leverage, I think, on the most tokens futures wise. Like it's pretty good. And the fees, I think, are lower than Binance. Kraken's transparent security measures and low fees earned in top spot. What? Pros and cons. An updated shorter verification process. I'm verified there. 95% has kept in cold storage. That's good. But coins, US users can deposit or withdraw via ACH. Beginners may face the learning curve. No, Binance is way harder, by the way. At a glance, Kraken 0 to 0.26. Binance is 0.02 to 0.1. So that's too cheap. 3 to 4% for debit card. No, I just bought a lot of volume for 1.8% on Binance with a card. So it's definitely not cheap. And yeah, Binance just have over 500 currencies. Kraken just have 70. Max daily trading amount. Daily trading, what? 100 grand. Limits differ basis on the currency purchased. I don't think there's a limit. 100 grand isn't a lot. It's actually hard to believe. I think this might be what? This is by Investopedia. I just want to compare the actual fees. A new trader, and I think UK people would be prone to using this or Bitstamp. A new trader with a low trading volume would pay a fee of 0.16 on Kraken, 0.1 on Binance. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. Binance. Do we have, okay, this is from April. What's better? Can I just open up Kraken to see, can I compare it? Let me just log in real quick and see how my fees are looking like. I'll log in here and then I'll just edit on the left so you can see. Okay, let me just open this up real quick. Codes. Okay, Kraken. Let me check how the fee structures are. They're basically, do you have the advanced? What did he say? I remember empty gox. Like, Kraken just reminds me of empty gox so much. If you let me know if you traded empty gox. That was the exchange that, it was the biggest exchange to trade crypto in like 8 years ago. And it had, a bar of the fees you did. So you can get lower fees based on your volume. which is pretty fair, in my opinion. Our funding history. Why can't I see anything? Buy crypto. Still can find it. But yeah, the reason why I really like Kraken is I don't really leverage. If I would leverage trade, I would do it on on Binance. Why would they do on actually Bybit? Because Bybit have better leverage trading opportunities. Not worth it to do it there, definitely. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on everything we know. If the video helped you out, give me a like. Want to see you next one. Bye.